Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Impetus 3, and today I'm going to talk about my routine as an aerospace engineer. I'm working on a big project. So today my task is to design the fuselage for my aircraft, and I have to know the front, the middle and the end part of the fuselage, including the cockpit design, which is a little tricky. So I am working on that. Plus, I read novel, which was awesome. Maybe I will add the review for the novel. If you would like, let me know. I enjoy it a lot. And today I'm going to add a special section which is close to my heart. Actually, it is very important for us to talk about these kind of topics so that we can create a platform for these cases to not go unheard, and also to know which is real and which is fake news as well. So on that positive note, let's begin our video. See you.
Hello friends, this is a special segment that I'm going to add in my all the videos. In this segment, I'm going to talk about all the apps news that we see today. These apps are the window of us to the outside world, correct? So what they show should be digestible and should at least hint that there is something going on in the universe to let you survive. I mean, if you see the news on this app, the trail of news on this app, it will take your breath away, truly. It's so bad, it's so bad, it's gonna you cannot digest those news, and I'm going to talk about all those things. So I want to create a positive community that talks about these small events that may have gone unnoticed and right now are coming to light. And I want to create a positive community that if they come regularly, there is somebody talking about those things to creep those people out, to make them feel afraid about this universe where they are doing all these things. I mean, seriously, how can they do those things? It creeps me out. So let's dive into the video and see what I'm talking about, and let's work on it together. Bye.
So I will show you the images of the news that I'm talking about, and let's see your reaction after seeing those news, okay? Keep your heart as strong as iron because you're gonna need it. Okay. Here it comes. Man robbed by armed man claims Delhi police said do not mention gun as it would defame SHO. Means they don't want to mention the gun, which could have been the weapon to kill the person, and they want to go ahead with fake news. Is that correct? I guess not. But that's not a big deal. Let's see ahead. YouTuber Atman booked for sexually assaulting trans women in Kerala. Well, that's funny, but that's really creepy. And I don't know why they always show all the creepers with this kind of image as if they are like normal people or some macho humans with living a normal life. Look at that image. Does it look like the image of somebody who can, do sexual assaults? No, it does not. So you should show the image as you show the news, not you cannot. This is misinformation. I hate when I look into his eyes. I just want to stab him in the heart. Another news. It will encourage his followers to rape women. NWC ex-chiefman Rekha on S. Sada Rehad remark. Means followers? Really? Followers? Man rapes 12-year-old girl at graveyard in Delhi on pretext of ritual to cure her father. going on here? What kind of creepy fantasy has been played out here? I have no clue. And I just want to bite something so hard after reading this news. So tell me your reaction. If you see this news regularly, what will be your reaction? 2-year-old kidnapped boy refuses to leave kidnapper as Jaipur police rescues him after 12 months. Wow. Now look at this. MP man rapes 8-year-old girl while wife undergoes delivery. Imagine that. A man robbed. Okay. So these are few of the news that I saw, and I believe that these news create an environment where you see how these people get the courage to do such task. You should have in your brain cells, you should feel the heat, you should feel your body should burn up when you have such thoughts. And I have no clue how these people are doing this, and how the people who are reading feel such horrible emotions when they are reading this. I don't know how these people who are doing it do not feel these emotions. So on that note, I'm gonna end this video, and I hope the next time when I read the news, there is something positive in the news.